In this video, I'll show you how to send photos in TikTok message. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if you're chatting with your friends and your family on TikTok, you can see there's no option for you to be able to send them photos. So what you need to do now, you need to get the Google Drive. So once you have it, it's going to be a bit easier for you. So open up the drive, click on the files, click on this plus icon, click on upload file. You're going to be able to see the photos and videos. So select the photos you want to send to the person. So I'm going to select mine and upload mine now to my Google Drive. Okay, this is the photo I just selected. This is the photo I just uploaded. I would love to send them on TikTok. So what you need to do now, once you have uploaded the photo, what you need to do, you need to copy the link. So I'm going to copy the link and send to them on the TikTok message. So this is it. You can be able to send your friends or your family photos here on TikTok once you have done this I just showed you. Now once you have sent the link, what you need to do, you need to tell them to open the link on a browser, right? So this is going to be your Google Drive link. So I'm going to just show you, for instance. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open up my Safari. I'm going to send this. So right now you can see this worked out perfectly. So this is basically how you can be able to send photos in TikTok message. You can be able to send to your friends, to your family here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if this worked out well for you. I'll see you on the next video.